American Horror Story. Premiered 2011 Genres TV, Anthology, Horror, Supernatural. More American Horror Story. What the cast of American Horror Story thinks of the show American Horror Story is actually the funniest show you're too afraid to watch. 6 of 42 the best current TV shows with gay characters. Dateline NBC. Premiered 1992 Genres TV, News magazine. More Dateline NBC. 2 of 66 the best news magazine TV shows and series. 47 of 117 the best shows on Peacock and the series we can't wait to watch. 8 of 44 the best current NBC shows. Transparent. Premiered 2014 Genres TV, Drama, Comedy. The Man in the High Castle. Premiered 2015 Genres TV, History, Drama, Dystopian, Thriller, Sci-Fi. More The Man in the High Castle. 216 of 640 the best TV shows to binge watch. 5 of 105 the best Amazon original series. 9 of 51 what to watch if you love Band of Brothers. Better Call Saul. Premiered 2015 Genres TV, Crime Fiction, Drama, Comedy. More Better Call Saul fan theories for the final season of Better Call Saul that just might be true. 41 of 96 the best drama TV series. 3 of 264 the best TV shows returning in 2021. Rick and Morty. Premiered 2013 Genres TV, Adult Animation, Sci-Fi, Comedy, Adventure. More Rick and Morty fun facts about the voices of Rick and Morty. Swiftiest Rick and Morty characters. 72 of 295 the best duos of all time. Curb Your Enthusiasm. Premiered 2000 Genres TV, Sitcom, Comedy. More Curb Your Enthusiasm. The best seasons of Curb Your Enthusiasm. 17 of 32 the best TV sitcoms, airing now. 97 of 166 the best TV shows returning in 2020. The Walking Dead. Premiered 2010 Genres TV, apocalyptic and post-apocalyptic fiction, suspense, drama. More The Walking Dead. The strongest survivors on The Walking Dead. Ranked Walking Dead TV characters who are most different from their comic book counterparts. 7 of 40 the best current TV shows starring movie stars. Narcos. Premiered 2015 Genres TV, crime drama, biographical. More Narcos. Ranking the best seasons of Narcos. 12 of 26 the best current shows that deal with race relations. 33 of 399 the greatest TV dramas of all time. Saturday Night Live. Premiered 1975 Genres TV, sketch comedy, satire, variety show, sketch comedy. More Saturday Night Live. The best SNL Weekend Update characters. The best SNL cast members of all time. 58 of 397 best TV shows to rewatch. Legion. Premiered 2017 Genres TV, sci-fi, action, horror, drama, superhero. More Legion. The best episodes of Legion. 37 of 54 the best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years. 27 of 245 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. Last Week Tonight with John Oliver. Premiered 2014 more last week tonight with John Oliver 30 of 129. The best shows currently on the air 176 of 448. The funniest TV shows of all time 29 of 389. TV shows that only smart people appreciate. The Daily Show. Premiered 1996 genres TV, satire, talk show, news, parody, comedy. More The Daily Show, the greatest Daily Show correspondents of all time 27 of 78. The funniest shows on TV right now 127 of 266. The best cult TV shows of all time. The X-Files. Premiered 1993 genres TV, cryptozoology, supernatural, crime fiction, drama, live action. More The X-Files. Fan theories about The X-Files. The X-Files episodes that made us say you were 73 of 83. The best after-school shows from the 90s. The Crown. Premiered 2016 genres TV, historical drama. More The Crown. Princess Alice of Battenberg's real life was even more dramatic than what you saw on The Crown. Details about Princess Diana's alleged affairs that The Crown brought to light. 17 of 54. The best drama TV shows airing now. 20/20. Premiered 1978 genres TV, news magazine. More 20/20. 120 of 272. The best 70s TV shows 153. 312. The best shows of the 1980s. Ranked 9 of 44. The best current true crime series. Fargo. Premiered 2014 genres TV, comedy, drama, crime. More Fargo. All of the clever Easter eggs hiding in Fargo, the TV series. 153 of 220. The greatest TV shows for women. 6 of 201. The TV shows with the best writing. Cosmos, a space-time odyssey. Premiered 2014 genres TV, science, documentary. More Cosmos, a space-time odyssey. 167 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. 51 of 106. The best rainy day shows to watch when you're bored and stuck inside. 46 of 54. Good TV shows for 10-year-olds. Archer. Premiered 2009 genres TV, adult animation, action, comedy. More Archer, the all-time greatest Archer characters. 114 of 644. The best cartoons of all time. 232 of 508. The best TV theme songs of all time. Jeopardy. Premiered 1964 genres TV, game show. More Jeopardy, behind-the-scenes facts and stories about Jeopardy. 99 of 253. The best TV shows streaming on Hulu. 22 of 74. The best shows you watched after school in the 2000s. The Handmaid's Tale. Premiered 2017 genres TV, Twin Peaks. Premiered 1990 genres TV, Stranger Things. Premiered 2016 genres TV, sci-fi, horror, supernatural, period drama. More Stranger Things. Who would be in Stranger Things if it were cast in the 80s? Wholesome Stranger Things moments that turned our hearts upside down. 1 of 59. The best teen sci-fi and fantasy TV series. Black Mirror. Premiered 2011 genres TV, drama, thriller, science fiction, fantasy. More Black Mirror. Wildly convincing Black Mirror fan theories that somehow make the show even crazier. 3 of 75 sci-fi shows you should be watching now. 58 of 300 the best sci-fi television series of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.